Hello friends! In today's video, we're checking out the coolest Amazon bestsellers in home electronics gadgets for 2024. From smart home devices to must-have tech for your living space, these gadgets will upgrade your everyday life. Stay tuned as we dive into the top picks you don't want to miss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video.
Number 1. TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick is a portable streaming device that brings endless entertainment to your TV. With access to thousands of apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney T, it transforms any ordinary screen into a smart TV. The compact stick plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port and comes with an Alexa-enabled remote for easy voice control. Enjoy seamless HD streaming and fast navigation with its powerful processor. Whether you're catching up on the latest series or streaming live sports, Fire TV Stick delivers clear, high-quality visuals. It's perfect for binge watchers, gamers, and anyone who loves entertainment on demand. Plus, it's super easy to set up. Just plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming.
Number 2. Coffee Scoop Spoon. The 4PC's Coffee Scoop Spoon by Fleizu offers a practical and stylish solution for anyone looking to enhance their coffee-making experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these measuring spoons are not only durable but also elegant, with a polished silver finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Each spoon measures 1 tablespoon, making it ideal for precise coffee measurements, whether you're brewing a robust cup of coffee or preparing a blend for your favorite recipe. The inclusion of 4 spoons in the set ensures that you'll have enough on hand for both your daily caffeine fix and for sharing with friends or family during gatherings. One of the standout features of this product is its dishwasher-safe design, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Simply toss them into the dishwasher after use, and they come out looking brand new without any hassle. This convenience is particularly appreciated by busy individuals.
Number 3. Echo Dot. Amazon Echo Dot is a compact smart speaker that brings the power of Alexa to any room. With voice control, you can play music, get news updates, control smart home devices, and much more, all hands-free. Its sleek, modern design fits perfectly in small spaces while delivering rich sound quality. The Echo Dot can set reminders, answer questions, and even tell jokes, making it a versatile assistant for everyday tasks. It also integrates with other smart devices like lights, thermostats, and security systems. Easy to set up and use, the Echo Dot is perfect for anyone looking to add convenience and smart technology to their home.
Number 4. Oil Dispenser. The Kitchen Maiden 2 in 1 oil dispenser by Cassiab offers a sleek design in a sophisticated black finish, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen space while maintaining functionality. This product features a dual functionality that allows users to dispense both oil and vinegar with ease, catering to a variety of culinary needs. One of the standout attributes of this oil dispenser is its precise pouring mechanism, which ensures that you can control the amount of liquid being dispensed. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are mindful of their portion sizes or experimenting with new recipes. The design effectively minimizes spills and drips, promoting a cleaner cooking environment. The Kitchen Maiden's body is crafted from durable materials, enhancing its longevity without compromising on style. The transparency of the dispenser allows users to monitor the contents easily, ensuring that you never run out unexpectedly.
Number 5. Echo Show. Amazon Echo Show 5 is a compact smart display with Alexa, perfect for your bedside or kitchen. It features a 5.5-inch screen for watching videos, making video calls, checking weather updates, or displaying photos. With Alexa built in, you can control smart home devices, set alarms, and stream music, all with voice commands. The Echo Show 5 also offers privacy features, including a built-in camera shutter. It's ideal for staying connected, managing your day, and even following recipes while cooking. Simple to use, it adds both convenience and entertainment to any room.